Welcome to the island of Bimini. We came here on Virgin Voyage's Scarlet Lady. It's a short walk down the pier, and you'll come to the little station where the trolley will take you out to the taxis or the golf carts, or you can ride the tram around the island to different stops along the way. The trolley will also take you to any shore excursions you may have booked. This is Virgin Voyage's Beach Club. It's a private resort where your bar tab that you used on the ship can also be used here. It is wheelchair accessible throughout the resort. You will find 2 swimming pools here and plenty of seating along the beach and up near the resort building itself. There is a map here at the entrance to help you know where you're going. A beach wheelchair is available if you need it. All the seating you see is included and at no extra charge. Only the private cabanas are an extra charge here. There is a pool lift available for those with mobility issues so that they can get in the pool too. These are the cabanas that you can rent at an extra charge. This sidewalk to the beach feels like one giant sandbag. This is an all-white sand beach, very soft. It gradually slopes into the ocean. The water is crystal clear, but do take note that there is no lifeguard on duty. It is swim at your own risk. This area is where you'll get your food and drinks from. It's called the Beach Eats. So anyway, we're supposed to be working on the channel this morning. Look where I found Robbie, the other half of Sea Lake Journeys. Over there chilling in a hammock, for crying out loud. Look at that.
That's right.
Okay guys, so this is the place where you come down in a wheelchair or a scooter. It's all ramps right down through here. So you can get around here. Roll right into the wooden boardwalk. So now we're taking the free tram ride back to the ship, but we're going to show you a couple of the stops along the way.
To the Hilton Hotel and Casino at Resort World Bimini, with exciting casino games, shopping, and dining available. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is in motion, and please supervise children. Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that may fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the driver. Thank you.
Okay, so this is one of the stops on the tram. It's a hotel and casino called Resort World. So if you didn't have back or neck problems before you got on this tram, You'll probably have them by the time you get off. Okay, the second stop of the golf cart rental, if you want to rent one, we just asked the guy how much they are. He said $80 for the whole day. And they got a ton of golf carts because they really... Anyway, yeah, they got a lot of golf carts there. So there's Kayak Beach.
They're painting on the beach.
You can rent a kayak here, that's why they call it Kayak Beach. And they're painting what on the beach?
They're painting on the beach. They've got little easels set up and you pay to paint the beach.
Oh, okay. That's different. We've had a great time at the beach club here in Bimini. It's a beautiful place to come visit. When you're on Virgin Voyages, come on down here and enjoy this place. It is beautiful. And now we're back to the Scarlet Lady. The water was very calm over at the beach, but over here by the ship, the water is very rough. Many excursions were canceled today, including snorkeling and the Stingray adventure. Let's take a last look at Virgin Voyages Bimini Beach Club and see why you may want to make this a place that you spend your vacation on. Get on that Virgin Voyages cruises, get on the Scarlet Lady, come on down to Bimini and have a great time. We loved it there and we think you will too. If you enjoyed this video in any way, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel and become part of the Sea Leg Journey crew. We sure would like to have you. Thanks again for watching.
If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.